I'm going to open the other door up.
Thanks, Mark. You found a door.
Was you a Boy Scout, Jamie?
No, it was not.
No, he was not.
That's how it's tied the way it is.
I was just wondering if I had any special.
I was gonna say, I just undo it over here.
Oh, can you?
That's all the way in Africa. Kenya, in Africa, yep. It does. Maybe you had to mistake one of them over this side. Oh, there's a whole bunch there before.
That is the sucker too. Look at that. It
Yep.
doesn't need that. Well, that big bolt holds the door on, obviously. They're probably on the other side.
Well, there's a vast amount of treasures inside that car.
Just like taking that stuff and sampling and cleaning it and painting it like
Yep.
crazy.
There's some time put in.
Oh my goodness.
I think there's 2 sets of lights there. I think there's new ones in the back shop.
Are you serious? No doubt the door bolt on the door on the other side. No doubt. I don't know why I keep banging my head, but
That's just there for that reason.
yeah, I suppose. I did some lowering blocks in that car I'm doing now. I smashed my head, I bet you 15 times.
Didn't learn after the first 2.
No, I was too busy. Didn't matter. It did not matter. I will. Guarantee it. I'll just... Here we go.
Well, yeah. There's a whole bunch of everything in there. Yep.
If you see any bolts...
Well, I haven't seen one yet. Well, there's a radiator and a heater core and a bunch of panels and a bunch of wire. The trunk in, it's gonna hook to the trunk.
Feel the heft of that. That you feel the heft of the dash door? Holy rootin'.
That's when stuff was built.
Built? I guess it was built.
That's a new something or other for this car.
Yeah. Yes.
Cow.
Didn't think that.
Oh, first I had to just take a wrench and spin one to the other side, and that'll
I suppose.
give you enough to get you
And then put a
mobile
ratchet strap
and
on
put a
it.
ratchet strap across the door latches.
Yeah, just put one top,
Hopefully
one
you-
bottom.
Have you got extra ratchet straps with you?
I got ratchet straps with me.
Well,
I got ratchet straps, and I'll say if I come prepared and all that.